What's up, guys? I'm gonna try something a little different, kind of like a full day, or not a full day, but a vlog. Because if I just opened the Grimmspeed products that were coming today, that'd be a very short video, and I don't want to just make a short video. I'm gonna showcase you guys the parts, possibly swing by Adam, show you some more parts, and then also I just want to show you guys kind of what I do. Today's my day off, so I kind of want to pick up the camera more and film throughout more of the day. I haven't done this in a while, so hopefully you guys like it. Let me know if you guys don't, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
Fucked and drank all night.
Okay, so we are here at Angela's, or Declan's again. Basically, it's Angela's gym. Working out here is just super nice compared to commercial gym. Don't have to wait for anyone. Don't have to wait for equipment, stuff like that. But working out today, and then working out tomorrow with Joe. Today I'm doing front squat, bench, just those ones, and then basic things, and then some cable and stuff like that. But just get a quick little workout in. And hopefully by that time, it's 12 o'clock. Hopefully the Grimmspeed products are here. If not, I'll head over to Adam's and I will show you some parts. And then also tomorrow, which is Saturday, because today is Friday the 16th. Saturday, Adam will be coming with the trailer to pick up my car. So I'll get that on video too. Be hanging out with Joe again probably. And yeah, get the ball going. And parts should be coming, ordered. I think everything's ordered. So just waiting for everything to come, and then I'm not sure the timeline. I'm hoping maybe everything, like I have the car back to me tuned and everything within a month. I still have to talk to Travis and get a date, but I'm not going to do that until it's closer to when I know the car is going to be done being built. So until then, let's get the workout in and get swole, I guess, right? All right, front squat, 4 sets, 6 reps. Never done front squats before. Joe's workout regimen. Shit hurts. Ugh.
Acted all alright. Had no need to fight. Tonight. Fucked and drank all night. Acted all alright. Had no need to fight. Tonight.
Kayla's in there with Angela now, so I came out here to tell you 8 sets of bench, 4 sets wide grip of 8 reps, 4 sets paused bench press, a little closer grip of 4 reps. So in total you're doing 8 sets. It's fucking killer.
Cast me far away. Play these little games. Acting all okay. Today.
Here at Adam's, some of the parts are here: the AOS, the baffles, the stout, and the oil control valve. So everything else is on its way. Show you guys that when it gets here. Got the email that the Grimmspeed products have arrived at my mom's house. So we're gonna take the Mustang out and go get the products. Come on. You can do it. Motherfucker. There we go. Woo, American muscle.
Yeah. 45, big drip in that bitch. Yeah. Coming from the bottom, what you know about that? Whole team getting on, that's a fact. I've been smoking green so long, now my lungs might collapse. Whole life still smoking that pack, smoking that.
Alright, here's everything. I'm not going to do an unboxing, but I'll take everything out, lay them out on the table, show you some glamour shots, and go over what each part is, and go from there. But once again, huge shout out to Grimmspeed for the opportunity to be a sponsored car. It is a huge part of my Subaru life. It's my first huge company sponsorship. So that's a huge thing. Shout out once again. And huge thanks to Grimmspeed for allowing me to have this opportunity. Hopefully more things to come in the future, but let's go ahead, get this stuff out.
Gas, yeah, so loud you can smell it through the bag. Yeah, get down and I try not to brag. Whole team stay high, getting that jet lag. I don't ever say blips, I don't even sweat that. Up all night, I don't stop. Yeah, the neighbors might call the cops. Music loud, yeah, we rock. Yeah, turn it down, probably not. Middle fingers up like fuck that. We don't give a fuck and I love that. Big drip, know where the mud at. Pour one up, double cup. I know when it's poppin', yeah. I know when it's poppin', yeah. I know when it's poppin', like shorty, she drop it, yeah. And I let her drop it, yeah. I know when it's poppin', I know when it's poppin', yeah. I know when it's poppin', yeah. You know that I got it, you know that I got it, yeah. I know when it's.
Here is everything, guys. So first, we have a beanie, Turbo Smart external wastegate. This is the 44 mil. Their master cylinder brace, up pipe dump tube combo, and internal wastegate bracket. And in here we also have a banner that I will be putting on the front of my car. But that is what Grimmspeed supplied. Maybe new things in the future from them, but we'll see. But yeah, cue the glamour shots. Alright, that's going to do it for this video, guys. I took my front bumper off, so it's going to be easier to get it on the trailer. But I'll catch you guys in 24 hours or so. Film the whole thing, like I said before, pulling the car up on Adam's truck. So he'll be here tomorrow around 9 or 10. It's 4 o'clock the day before. It's kind of hard to think and talk in the present when you guys are seeing this in the past. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Kind of, like I said, a little different. I have the days off, so I'm going to pick up the camera a little more, make a little more interactive videos instead of just straight to the point kind of deal. But yeah, catch you guys in the next video. See ya.